Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Lebanon. Before I proceed further, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check is that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that you have, you may or actually may not need a visa. And when you go for the process, always go as per the official entity of the country that covers your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional document steps in even field. So for example, I have opened this Embassy of Lebanon Ottawa website. Here under consular, they have this visa information. So now if you wanna, there are two options. Okay, you can either obtain directly at the airport, or you can say visa on arrival, or you can obtain through an embassy, either by visiting it in person or applying by mail. Of course, for the eligible nationalities, getting at the airport is uh, the very like the first of priority, or you can say the preferred method. Because but a lot of countries are not eligible. So they have given a list of the nationals who can opt in. But yes, there is a catch. If you have any Israeli visa or seal on your passport, you cannot get. Okay, all right. You can check your nationality. Canada is included. So as a Canadian, I can apply directly at the airport. Okay, and at $17, it will valid for one entry and valid for 3 months only. Okay, now, but what if I want to apply at the embassy just to make sure that I don't spend additional time at the airport in order to process my visa, or if I'm from a nationality that does not fall into that list. So you can apply at embassy by mail or in person. Okay. So validity is given and number of entries also given. Now coming to documents, visa application form along with valid original passport with two colored photocopies of pages that contain full name photo passport. Okay, means details pages you can say. One recent current photograph showing a full face with a white background for minors. Consent letter, university school. The amount of visa fees given here, number based on number of entries. Okay. You also need to provide university school of work attestation letters. In person, if you go, you can pay by cash. If you're going by mail, you will need to apply for a certified check or money order payable to the Embassy of Lebanon. Okay. And they are going to return to the sender prepaid self-addressed stamped express post envelope. Okay. So it's a Canada Post document. Okay. Mail all the request documents for two photocopies and a prepaid self-addressed envelope to the embassy at the following address. Okay. Fine. So now everything is clear. It's a very simple process. Like they haven't asked for much documents. Apart from work attestation, I don't think there's any significant document. But yes, in case they want to, they can always ask for you. So this is a PDF form, but it's fillable. Name, surname, occupation, your address, phone number, email address. Your marital status, name of parent, name, surname of mother before marriage. Wow. Place of birth, date of birth, nationality at origin, passport number, plan of the trip. Why you want to actually go there. Then issue date, expiry date, visa validation, duration, number of entries, address, where you're gonna stay, type here, date and signature. This section is reserved for embassies. There's nothing to do. Visa. The validity with an entity starting from the issue date. First stay of 3, 1, and 6 months. So you have to fill out this visa application form and mail it. Type the following documents. Okay. Same thing they have given here. Okay, guys. So with this, you can apply. And once it is granted, you're all good to go. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.